My name is Gianna Auriemma. I go to SUNY Morrisville and I am in the Western program here as well as the rehab. I got my associates and I'm getting my bachelor's now. I'm the first to actually go to college. I am at the rehab center all morning from 9 to noon, and then I'll have like maybe a class or two in between some days depending on the day. And then I'll come here from 1 until whenever we're done, and I'm here for the rest of the day. I looked at a couple other colleges and there's really nothing like it here. You work with horses every single day no matter what program you're in. Breeding, rehab, Western, Huntsy, anything, you're always with horses all day. It really prepares you for your internship because it's very hands-on. For your senior year, your second semester of your senior year, you have a 15-week internship and you go out wherever you decide to go. And I think it's very important because it gets you out there in the industry. I'm going to Tom McCutcheon Reining Horses in Aubrey, Texas. I'm going to be doing rehab and riding over there. It's nice coming here and being able to go through all the motions every day, being at rehab, coming here and riding every day, because that's kind of what it's going to be like out there.